Hello everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily download the CapCut Pro on PC. So first, you just need to start by opening the CapCut apps on your computer. And then here at the home page, you can easily see the Join Pro options. And here, if you haven't signed in, you need to sign in first. And this button will be appear, and if you want to join the CapCut Pro to enjoy all of the features and materials, just click on this button and there will be a pop-up box like this, and you just need to select the plan that you think fits your needs the best. So by joining the CapCut Pro, you can unlock all the Pro features, and you can also get the 100 GB cloud space storage. So after you choosing the plan, so there will be three options: monthly, or you can also use it only for 1 month, and also annually. So I'm going to just select monthly, for example, then click on the purchase button. Okay, just wait. Okay, so you'll be directed to like the invoice here, the total price that you need to pay. And here you can just choose the payment method that fits you the best. For example, this one. And after that, you can just proceed the payment by clicking on this green button. If you want to use the credit or debit card, you need to insert the card number and also all of the informations here. Okay, after that, just click on purchase. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.